Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make banana bread. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 3 ripe bananas, mashed, along with 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Also, have 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of melted butter ready. Finally, grab 1 large egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to complete your list. Next, let's combine our ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and sugar. In a separate bowl, mash your ripe bananas, then stir in the melted butter, egg, and vanilla extract. Now, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix until everything is just combined. Be careful not to overmix for the best texture. Now it's time to bake your delicious banana bread. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the prepared batter into a greased loaf pan, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This ensures perfect doneness. Once baked, let your banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set properly. Then, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Patience is key here for the best texture. Once cooled, slice your banana bread with a serrated knife. Now, you can enjoy your homemade treat warm or at room temperature. It's truly delicious.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.